Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro batch upload inventory module. We're going to walk through in this guide basically how to upload your inventory into Xoro once your SKUs are in. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the upload inventory module, put it in here in the search menu. And basically once you're on the module, you're going to follow the steps, the basic steps that are laid out on the module. So the first thing you'll do is download the template. Basically fill the template with your inventory and then upload the inventory. So just keep in mind a couple of these important points mentioned here. So let me just download the template, save it here, and I'll just open the template just to show you how it looks. So basically you want to make sure the store code matches up to the store code in the system exactly. The same thing with the item number and the location for that store as well. And the quantity column is actually how much the quantity is going to change by. So basically, if I were to put 1 here, then basically it's going to add 1 to the existing inventory for that item. So what I've done is actually have a sample upload template that's already filled out. So basically, I've got an inventory sample here that's already filled. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to upload our inventory. So let's go ahead, select the file, click on verify and upload. And before we actually go through with this, I just want to mention, I'm just going to select the store here. So it actually noticed that the store wasn't, and actually some of the items are not correct as well. So let me go ahead and fix those. So I'm going to go ahead and change these. So it's saying it's an invalid item. So this item actually doesn't exist in the system. So let me just delete these rows. And I've got a wrong store code in here, so I'm going to fix that. So the preview actually, it tells you that basically. So let's go ahead, let's try it again. And now it's giving no errors. So it looks like this upload is good to go. So there's a couple of really important things that you want to take care of before you hit upload items at the bottom there. You want to make sure this transaction date is correct. So basically this inventory is going in as of the date of Jan 1st. Make sure you consult your accountant before you select this date. And one more thing you want to speak to your accountant about is the opening balance equity account, the offset account that's used during the inventory upload. So make sure this is the correct account that you need. And again, just consult your accounting team if necessary. And then once those two are set, just click upload items. And let's see what this error message is. Looks like something didn't go through. Right, so there's no accounting period. So let me go ahead, let me create an accounting period in the system. So this is basically in the situation where you don't have an accounting period set up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Just going to create an accounting period. You can refer to the accounting period video as well. That basically goes into detail on how to create an accounting period. Okay, so now that I've created an accounting period, let me try the upload again. And we'll try it again. And this time the inventory for the 6 lines has gone through.